Welcome! Today, we're diving into how you can effectively build muscle right at home without the need for expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to switch up your routine, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. We'll cover the basics of muscle growth, essential exercises, nutrition tips, and how to stay motivated. Building muscle at home is not only possible, but it can also be incredibly rewarding and convenient. Let's get started on your journey to a stronger, healthier you. Before jumping into exercises, it's important to understand how muscle growth works. Muscles grow when they're challenged with resistance, causing tiny tears in the muscle fibers. As your body repairs these tears, your muscles become stronger and larger. This process is called hypertrophy. At home, you can stimulate muscle growth using your own body weight, resistance bands, or household item. Consistency and progressive overload gradually increasing the difficulty are key to seeing results. Setting clear, realistic goals is crucial for success. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's gaining muscle mass, increasing strength, or improving endurance. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, achievable milestones. This will help you stay focused and motivated as you progress. Remember, building muscle is a gradual process and patience is key. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your spirits high. Bodyweight exercises are the foundation of any home muscle building routine. They require no equipment and can be modified to suit any fitness level. Classic moves like push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks target multiple muscle groups and help build functional strength. The beauty of bodyweight training is its versatility. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and easily adjust the intensity as you get stronger. Push-ups are a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. If standard push-ups are too challenging, try knee push-ups or incline push-ups using a sturdy surface. As you get stronger, increase your reps or try advanced variations like diamond or decline push-ups. Squats are essential for building strong legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest up, and lower your hips as if sitting back into a chair. Go as low as your mobility allows, then push through your heels to return to standing. For added challenge, try jump squats or single leg squats. Squats not only build muscle, but also improve balance and core stability. Lunges are a fantastic exercise for targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Lunges help improve balance, coordination, and unilateral strength. You can add difficulty by holding household items like water bottles or backpacks for extra resistance. A strong core is essential for overall strength and injury prevention. Planks are a simple yet effective way to engage your entire core. Start in a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can while maintaining good form. As you progress, try side planks or add leg lifts for an extra challenge. Dips are great for building your triceps, shoulders, and chest. You can perform them using a sturdy chair or low table. Place your hands behind you on the edge, extend your legs, and lower your body by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. Keep your movements controlled and avoid locking your elbows at the top. As you get stronger, increase your reps or try single leg dips. Pull-ups are excellent for building back and biceps, but not everyone has a pull-up bar at home. If you do, use an overhand grip and pull your chin above the bar. If not, try alternatives like inverted rows under a sturdy table or resistance band pull-downs. These exercises mimic the pulling motion and help develop similar muscles. Focus on slow, controlled movements for maximum benefit. Resistance bands are a versatile and affordable tool for home workouts. They add extra resistance to exercises like squats, rows, and presses, making your muscles work harder. Bands come in different strengths, so you can adjust the intensity as you progress. They're also lightweight and portable, perfect for small spaces or travel. Incorporate bands into your routine for a new challenge. You don't need dumbbells to add resistance to your workouts. Everyday items like water bottles, backpacks filled with books, or bags of rice can serve as makeshift weights. Use them for exercises like curls, shoulder presses, or weighted squats. Get creative and make the most of what you have at home to keep your workouts challenging and effective. Progressive overload is the principle of gradually increasing the stress placed on your muscles to stimulate growth. At home, you can achieve this by increasing the number of repetitions, sets, or the resistance used in your exercises. You can also slow down the tempo or reduce rest time between sets. Tracking your progress and consistently challenging yourself is key to continued muscle development. A balanced full-body routine ensures all major muscle groups are worked, For example, you can do push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and dips in a circuit. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps per exercise, depending on your fitness level. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. This approach maximizes efficiency and helps you build muscle evenly across your body. If you want to target your upper body, focus on exercises like push-ups, dips, planks, and resistance band rows. Perform 3 to 4 sets of each exercise, aiming for 8 to 15 reps. This routine will help you build strength in your chest, shoulders, arms, and back. Remember to maintain good form and gradually increase the difficulty as you progress. For lower body gains, prioritize squats, lunges, glute bridges, and calf raises. These exercises target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 20 reps, adjusting based on your fitness level. You can add resistance with household items or bands for extra challenge. Strong legs are the foundation of overall strength and athleticism. A strong core supports all your movements and helps prevent injuries. Include exercises like planks, side planks, bicycle crunches, and mountain climbers in your routine. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 20 to 30 seconds per exercise. Focus on maintaining good form and engaging your core muscles throughout each movement. Warming up is essential to prepare your body for exercise and reduce the risk of injury. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing light cardio, such as jogging in place or jumping jacks, followed by dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. A proper warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and improves your range of motion, setting you up for a safe and effective workout. After your workout, take time to cool down and stretch. This helps your body recover and reduces muscle soreness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing gentle stretches for all major muscle groups, focusing on areas you worked the most. Deep breathing during stretching can also help relax your mind and body, making your recovery more effective. Nutrition plays a critical role in muscle building. Your body needs enough protein to repair and grow muscle tissue, as well as carbohydrates and healthy fats for energy and recovery. Focus on eating balanced meals with lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Staying hydrated is also essential for optimal performance and recovery. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal, such as eggs, chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or dairy products. If you struggle to meet your protein needs through food alone, consider a protein supplement. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly fueling your body with protein supports ongoing muscle development. Carbohydrates and healthy fats provide the energy you need for intense workouts and recovery. Choose complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes, and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These nutrients help fuel your workouts and support overall health, ensuring you have the stamina to keep progressing. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but is vital for muscle function and recovery. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and removes waste products. Aim to drink water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Proper hydration can also help prevent cramps and fatigue, keeping your performance at its best. Rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after workouts. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week, and prioritize quality sleep each night. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injury, and stalled progress, so listen to your body and give it the recovery it needs. Keeping track of your workouts and progress is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a notebook, app, or spreadsheet to log your exercises, sets, reps, and any changes in resistance. Take progress photos or measurements every few weeks to visually track your muscle gains. Regular tracking helps you identify what's working and where you can improve. Staying motivated can be challenging when working out at home. Set a regular workout schedule and treat it like any other important appointment. Find a workout buddy, join online fitness communities, or follow along with workout videos to keep things fresh and engaging. Remember to celebrate your progress and reward yourself for sticking with your routine. It's normal to hit plateaus where progress seems to stall. When this happens, try changing up your routine by adding new exercises, increasing resistance, or adjusting your sets and reps. Sometimes, simply taking a short break or focusing on recovery can help you break through. Stay patient, and persistent plateaus are a natural part of the muscle building journey. Many people make mistakes that can hinder their progress, such as neglecting proper form, skipping warm-ups, or not getting enough rest. Focus on quality over quantity and listen to your body. If you feel pain, not just muscle fatigue, stop and reassess your technique. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is unique. If you're new to exercise, start with basic movements and focus on mastering proper form. Begin with fewer sets and reps, and gradually increase as you build strength and confidence. Don't be discouraged by slow progress. Consistency is more important than intensity at the start. Celebrate every improvement, no matter how small. For those with more experience, home workouts can still be challenging. Incorporate advanced variations like pistol squats, one-arm push-ups, or explosive plyometric moves. Use resistance bands, weighted backpacks, or slow down the tempo for added intensity. Keep pushing your limits and experimenting with new exercises to avoid stagnation. While building muscle is the focus, don't neglect cardiovascular health. Include activities like jumping jacks, high knees, or burpees between sets or as a separate session. Cardio improves heart health, boosts endurance, and can help with fat loss, making your muscles more defined. Balance, strength, and cardio for overall fitness. Flexibility and mobility are often overlooked but are vital for muscle health and injury prevention. Incorporate stretching, yoga, or foam rolling into your weekly routine. These practices improve your range of motion, reduce muscle tightness, and help you recover faster from intense workouts. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after workouts. Soreness is normal, but sharp pain or discomfort is a warning sign. Adjust your routine as needed and don't hesitate to rest if you feel overly fatigued. Taking care of your body ensures long-term progress and reduces the risk of injury. Not everyone has a dedicated workout space at home, but you can still get a great workout in a small area. Focus on exercises that require minimal space, like squats, push-ups, and planks. Use furniture for support or resistance, and rearrange your environment as needed. Creativity is your best friend when working with limited space. Finding time to work out at home can be challenging, especially with a busy schedule. Plan your workouts in advance and set aside specific times each week. Short, focused sessions can be just as effective as longer ones. Prioritize consistency over duration, and remember that every bit of movement counts toward your goals. Getting your family or housemates involved can make home workouts more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. Invite them to join your sessions, or simply let them know your workout schedule so they can support your goals. A supportive environment makes it easier to stick with your routine and celebrate your achievements together. There are countless apps, online videos, and virtual trainers available to guide your home workouts. Use technology to access new routines, track your progress, and stay motivated. Many platforms offer customizable plans and real-time feedback, making it easier than ever to build muscle at home with expert guidance. If you have an injury or physical limitation, consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine. Modify exercises as needed to avoid aggravating your condition. Focus on movements that are safe and comfortable, and prioritize recovery. Building muscle is still possible with the right adaptations and patience. Consistency is the most important factor in building muscle at home. Make exercise a regular part of your lifestyle, not just a short-term goal. Set reminders, track your progress, and adjust your routine as needed to keep things interesting. Remember, the results you want come from the habits you build over time. Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Whether it's completing a challenging workout, hitting a new personal best, or simply sticking to your routine, every step forward is worth acknowledging. Positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come on your muscle-building journey. Life can be unpredictable, but your fitness journey doesn't have to stop. If your schedule changes or you face new challenges, adapt your workouts to fit your current situation. Even short, simple routines can help you maintain your progress. Flexibility and resilience are key to long-term success. A positive mindset is crucial for building muscle at home. Believe in your ability to improve, and don't let setbacks discourage you. Focus on progress, not perfection, and remember that every effort counts. Cultivating a growth mindset will help you overcome obstacles and stay committed to your goals. If you're unsure where to start or want to optimize your results, consider seeking advice from a certified personal trainer or fitness professional. Many offer virtual consultations and can help design a program tailored to your needs and goals. Professional guidance can boost your confidence and ensure you're on the right track. Periodically review your progress and reflect on your journey. Look back at your goals, achievements, and any challenges you've overcome. Use this reflection to set new goals and keep moving forward. Remember, building muscle at home is a continuous process, and every step you take brings you closer to your best self. Congratulations on taking the first step toward building muscle at home. With the right mindset, consistent effort, and smart planning, you can achieve impressive results without ever stepping foot in a gym. Remember to focus on proper form, balanced nutrition, and adequate rest. Stay motivated, track your progress, and enjoy the journey. Your stronger, healthier self is just a workout away.